In this module, we will look at the SRA's standards and regulations and its 7 principles. Solicitors in England and Wales belong to a self-regulating profession, which is governed by the Solicitors Regulation Authority, SRA, the regulatory body of the Law Society. Because of the fiduciary and confidential nature of his work, a solicitor is expected to comply with certain principles and codes of conduct, which are higher than those in society at large. Even behavior outside legal practice, a solicitor's private life, for example, must meet professional standards and not bring the profession into disrepute. Unbefitting conduct may also be the subject of disciplinary proceedings. Solicitors are today generally free to decide how they wish to obtain their business. However, this freedom must be exercised within the constraints of the Code of Conduct, infringement of which will amount to professional misconduct.